What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is YOGOMAN, and I'm back at Connor's cabin. I wonder how many times I've actually said that now, that I'm back at Connor's cabin, because been at Connor's cabin quite a bit. It's been really warm, really rainy here in Alaska, like the last week or so. So there's really not much more snow than there was last time we were here. Right now we're cutting down that tree right there actually because it's a little too close to the sauna. Don't want to risk lighting anything else on fire.
It's gonna be 10 feet, you say it's 5 feet. Okay. Let's cut around.
There she goes. Any moment now. Timber! And now we have firewood. It is currently super foggy. Look at this. So I saw this thing on the internet and I was like, that looks awesome. We've got to do that. And then what that was a Roman candle minigun. So what we've got here are 12 Roman candles, and then if you want to hold it to demonstrate, pops. So as you can see, it's a nice looking Roman candle gun. So biggest problem we have right now is finding a way to light all of these off at once, so it will continuously shoot instead of lighting off like 3 or 4 of them. So yeah. Ready? Here we go. America. So that went pretty much, I'd say exactly well to plan. The one thing I did forget, or didn't even think about, was my wrist. Even though I was wearing gloves, all the sparks coming back, the wrist and a little bit of my neck was getting hit from the sparks, and it was quite hot. I was like, oh. So that was the one thing. Other than that, seemed perfectly to plan. Alright, so I don't know if you guys remember, but one of my previous vlogs back where I was taking steel wool and I was spinning it around. So this is my same system. So I had some left over that I hadn't done anything with since the last time. So I've got it here. I think I'm going to go out and light it off right now. Hopefully that'll look pretty cool. Especially now that I know what I'm doing a little bit better. So hopefully every time will be a good time. Here we go. Here we go. It's going. It's going. She's going. Now what I've done before is I pick this up and I start shaking it. And it just stops. Oh.